I got a fart. I got a fart.
I don't care. I'm already recording. You better do it.
I'm not.
Or you're a pussy. Chief Keef would be sad. Chief Keef would be sad, bro. That's the one he rocked the most, bro. You won't even take it out.
This is later.
I'm on your own. Later, we're going to a show tonight, bro.
Exactly.
You got to stunt, homie.
Nah, that's why I gotta be clean when I wear this.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta try it on beforehand. You gotta know what it's looking like.
No.
Come on, dude.
Wait.
You deserve it, dude. Do it. Do it, dog.
Put it on when I put
What?
it on.
What's the difference between now and later? What's the difference?
No.
Is there any? No. Do it. Do it. I'm giving peer pressure. Do it. Ready? You got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it.
I gotta fart again.
All right. Fart.
No.
There you go. Boom. Got it out. There you go. Good. Now pop it, baby. Pop, lock, and drop that shit, dude.
Peace. It's amazing.
Alright, there, show us unboxing.
Shit.
This is fucking amazing. This is history in the making, folks. Durag Dev pop-up shop tonight. I'm pulling up heated. My brother's pulling up with revenge in his head. I don't know what he's doing. But we're about to get to the unboxing and unwrapping of the infamous Crewneck, baby. I got the perfect black shirt to go underneath it. Polo, Ralph Lauren. You know what I'm saying? A little Ralph in your life. With my black one. Oh, shit, dude. Does the fresh bag smell? Oh yeah, baby. Undead stock. Cause we rock our shit. Fuck a hype beast. Right, Max?
Hell yeah.
Fuck a hype beast, huh? Look at that. Extra large, homie. No larges over here. We ain't pussies. Get the facts straight. Look at that.
Dude.
That's all. That's straight direct to garment. Or not direct to garment. That's straight sneaking hand stitched double fucking panel embroidered tough. And I'll pop it open, Max. Let me pop it for you. Here, hold it. Ready? I'm just gonna pop it like a surprise. What do you think?
Insane.
Holy fuck.
Absolutely insane.
Holy.
Wait. Is there? Yup.
What does it say? Oh my dog. You got the same. Alright, so here. This on you.
Need.
This on you.
Need an undershirt.
Huh? Oh, okay. I got you.
Just wear a white one.
Oh, yeah. Where? This one. This gray one. Put that inside out.
Yeah.
Dude, this is history in the making. Hold on. Let me do this. Look at this. Is this hard or not, Max? Is that hard or not, Max?
Sure. Put it up. Sure. Yeah.
It was popping, though. Screenshot of shit over here. Alright, here we go. XL, baby.
Put on that hat. Ooh, this feels.
Let me feel the inside.
Dude. Dude.
Oh, dude, that's that real. That's that.
Dude.
Ooh! Oh my gosh.
My goodness.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Dude. What the Shut up. Look at this dude. Look at Max. Come here, Max. Max. Show your fucking self. Show yourself.
Should I put the hat on?
Bro, hold on. See right there?
I opened it.
You opened it? That's the thing you were gonna sell?
No,
Nah,
don't touch it. I want to put it in. He ain't gonna sell it, man. Cause you know why? We rock our brand new stuff, Dad. We wear our stuff, Dad. I love you, little bro. And we're gonna end this in 2, 1, 5 minutes.